Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing today? I hope you all are hale and hearty. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fit as a fiddle. A plane or viman is flying over my head. And the sun is going down. It's afternoon time. Yes, look at this place. This is the place where I reside, where I spend my quality time with my family members, with my friends and neighbors and relatives. চেষ্টা করি প্রত্যেকটা ভিডিওতে নতুন কিছু দেখাতে এবং প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ইংলিশ শেখাতে। মেহেদি হাসান is an English content creator in Bangladesh. Look at the place. Have you got fancy for the place? Huh? I have got fancy for the place. Today I have come here with my friend Rakib. We are gonna spend some quality time together. This place is quite imposing, serene, tranquil, right? Look at the place. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Wow.